Hi there friends. Hey, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. Today we're getting ready to flock some of our Christmas trees here, and let's show you the product we're going to use.
It's called Snow Flock.
Snow Flock, and we got this off of Amazon, and it's just a powder, and it doesn't look like much. We used it last year on a tree and really loved the way it looks. So one box did my big tree last year, and we've got 2 slim trees we're going to do this year. So it goes a long way. It's very economical.
And this is really easy to do too.
It
I
is.
was surprised.
All you're gonna need is a spray bottle to mist the tree and then a strainer to shake it on. It's pretty simple.
Yep.
Sifter, yeah, sifter,
Does
strainer.
recommend wearing a mask too.
Yes, it's gonna be a little bit
got
dusty.
that.
So, okay, and we're just in the garage. It can be a little bit messy. Last year we did our tree in the basement, which was fine, but we thought today we'd just do it in the garage, and we've got a piece of cardboard underneath the tree for easy cleanup. The first thing we want to do is mist down the tree, and you can use your spray bottle for that, but just to save a little time, I've got the attachment on my garden hose and it's set to mist, so I'm just going to start wetting down or dampening. You don't want it sopping wet, but you want it moist enough that the flock is going to stick to it. All right, so we have put some of the flock in, it's okay, in the strainer like this. And what we're going to do is just over each branch, we're going to just kind of tap it and let the flock stick to the wet branches. And it is really as simple as that. And you can make it a light dusting of snow or a heavy dusting of snow. You can do it however you'd like.
It's like you're not frosting, you're powdering cookies.
Yes, like you're doing the little confectioner, that's the word. Sugar sprinkling it on a dessert. So it's pretty easy to do. Actually, this time around, I want my trees to just have a light dusting of snow. And when we get to the end of, or when the strainer empties out, I'm sure you can see that. There will be it will look kind of like little icicles left in the strainer, and we'll take those and we will put those with our fingers just on the tree. So it is a little bit messy. That's why I would recommend doing it outside. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what's left. So you can see there's little iridescent looking pieces of probably like cellophane or something. So we'll take at the end whatever's left in our strainer and just put those on the tree with our fingers. So just do that, and that will give it that little bit of
Glimmer.
yeah, that little pretty glimmer of the frosted snow. Now we have the entire tree covered with this flock. We're going to take the spray bottle and we're going to just mist it, and this is going to kind of lock the flock or glue it into place. So here, just using, we don't want to use the mister on the hose to do this. That might be a little bit too forceful and knock the flock off the tree, but just a misting with the spray bottle, and we want to get it pretty saturated, but not sopping wet, so it's going to start dripping and knock the flock off. So what do you think about flocking a tree? Are you ready to try it? I love the way it looks, and it just changes everything to the feel of the tree. And so I'm actually excited to try flocking on a few more things like my garland and maybe some of my Christmas greenery picks. I'm just ready
Yeah.
to flock everything.
Yeah, you can use it on anything really.
That's
so
true.
It's pretty cool.
It's true.
And it was really easy to do.
It really was. Just a little bit messy, you know, but hey, but do it out in the garage.
Yep.
Plan to do it when the weather's a little bit warmer.
So let us know what you think. If you have any great suggestions or tips, if you've done it before, let us know. We love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also check the links below. We have links to all of our social media. We like to share on Instagram what we're doing ahead of time.
Yeah.
Little sneak
You can
peeks.
see little things that we're working on
Yep.
about a month before.
Yep. So
yeah.
check that out. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.